What is the number one purpose of money? If you think it's for paying bills, chances are you're struggling with money. If you say it's for helping you build credit, chances are you're in a mid to high level rat race and are trapped into working your whole life. If you think it's for buying stuff, you won't have it very long. And if you think it's for giving to charity, you'll never have as much to give as you feel you should. So if any of these answers are yours, you may want to rethink them, and it's not your fault. You've been lied to by the world system that wants to keep you just over broke. J-O-B, sound familiar? Keep you working. Keep you paying those bills, because they know that if you ever found out what the number one purpose of money is, you'd have the potential to break free from their system, from their lies, and free from the trap of working for a little bit of someone else's money in exchange for a lot of your time. So what is it? What's the number one purpose of money? The number one purpose of money is to give it a job. Because it never needs a break. It never gets sick. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. It never gets unmotivated. And it can work harder, faster, and longer than you could ever dream of working. And if you gave it a job and put it to work for you, you would have the potential to break free and change your life forever. So how do you give your money a job? The Bible actually gives us a clue. In Matthew 25, a master gives his money to 3 servants. 2 of them give that money a job, and they double the money they were given. The 3rd servant buries his money and does nothing because he's afraid of taking risks. The master gets angry at the fearful servant and fires him for not giving the money a job. But before he does, he says something really interesting. He says, "Why did you not at least give it unto the exchangers?" The exchangers were the financial industry of that day. Today's equivalent would be banks and the U.S. stock market. And guess what? The financial industry is the number one wealth creation tool in the world today. It is the best way to give your money a job just based on facts alone. But most people think the stock market is too complicated, too risky, and too shady to invest in. That's why I'm here, to show you why all those thoughts are part of the lies they tell you to keep you from using the stock market. The truth is, with the right approach, with the right tools, and with the right mindset, the stock market can be a very effective way to put your money to work and give you the potential to change your life. Come see how in the upcoming 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge, where you will learn 4 things you must do to become a successful stock trader. Learn the one change you could make right now that has consistently outperformed most financial advisors. And learn about a free tool that you can use to reduce risk while you trade stocks. It doesn't have to be scary, it doesn't have to be complicated, and it certainly doesn't have to be for everyone else but you.